Hi folks, it's the review fella here. Thank you for stopping by. So in my quest to find the perfect set of noise cancelling headphones, I thought I'd check out the Soundcore Life Q30 by Anker. These are over-ear, multi-mode active noise cancelling headphones. They are available in black, midnight blue and sakura pink, and are very reasonably priced at around £80 or $80. Now I've used a fair amount of Anker kit in the past and I usually find the quality high and the price pretty good, but I wasn't sure how these sub $100 cans would fare, bearing in mind that active noise cancelling technology always costs more and can make or break a decent set of active noise cancelling headphones. By the way, I bought these headphones myself. I can give an honest review. There is no paid sponsorship in this video. The Life Q30 are very well rated online. Most people seem to like them very much, and according to the box they are loved by 20 million plus people. It's written here, so it must be true. Who am I to argue? So let's take a look inside and see what we have. I'm liking this already and I haven't opened it yet. We have a rather nice branded storage bag. Looks like it might be some kind of nylon material, so they should be splash proof too, which is handy. Hopefully some headphones inside, not just a nice bag. That's jolly nice. Also some bits of paper and the user guide, which looks fairly basic. Mainly a group of pictures showing you what the buttons do, a limited amount of text in various languages too, so more like a quick start guide rather than a comprehensive set of instructions. It also suggests downloading the app, which I'll do shortly. The bag has a handy loop and zips open to reveal the Q30 headphones, which store in a fairly compact fashion, easily stored for travelling. Let's take a closer look. There's a small bag which contains the USB-C charging cable, very nice and industry standard, and also a 3.5mm auxiliary cable, which the instructions say you can use to play audio on an external device with. Interesting. Taking a closer look at the headphones, they are quite chunky, which I don't mind. A removable sticker says that they can be connected via near-field communication, and touching this area for 1 second will put them in transparency mode. We'll cover what that means shortly. They're quite light at 263 grams. Obviously the larger size and bigger battery adds some weight. Bigger headphones are the way to go, so the cool kids tell me, and you have to have somewhere to put that huge battery, which boasts up to 40 hours playtime with ANC turned on, and up to a whopping 60 hours if you turn ANC off. That's astonishing. This thing rarely needs charging. But when it does need charging, it'll take around 2 hours. And if you're in a hurry, a quick 5-minute charge will give you 4 hours playtime, which is very impressive. They are fully adjustable and flex very well, so you'll have no problems getting them to fit you, particularly if you have a big head like me. No matter how much I flex them, they don't feel like they're about to break. The headband is metallic and the rest is plastic. On the left cup is a USB-C charging port, power button and noise cancelling button. Press the power button for 3 seconds to turn on and off. On the right cup there is a 3.5mm jack, a play-pause button and buttons for volume up and down. They might be a bit confusing as small buttons that feel the same are always difficult to operate, but it's just a matter of getting used to their position really. The ear cup padding is nice and soft. It feels like memory foam and is covered in a protein synthetic leather. The top of the headband is also padded for comfort, but not so much as the ear cups. I think they look very nice. Connection is simple with near-field communication or Bluetooth to get you started. They use Bluetooth 5, which gives a better range. I'd also recommend downloading the Soundcore app. Setup is a breeze once you've done that. Make sure you have Bluetooth turned on and turn the headphones on. Select Add Device, choose the headphone tile. You should see Life Q30 headphones listed in the app. Update the firmware if needed to fix issues and bugs. Here you can turn noise cancelling on and choose your environment. So setting it to transport will target low-end frequencies such as engine and road noises, ideal when commuting perhaps. Indoor targets mid-frequencies such as voices in a coffee shop for example. And outdoor targets ambient sounds to give you more peace and quiet outside. Transparency mode allows sound in and is ideal if someone is talking to you, so you can hear them without having to take the headphones off. Normal turns noise cancelling and transparency off. For those of you who might want to tweak a little deeper, there is an equalizer that gives you access to a range of presets, or lets you choose your own curve. Quite a nice feature. And there's also a superior sleep mode, ideal if you want to chill and relax with some built-in sounds, such as rainfall or wind chimes. Use more than one at the same time to create your own chill mix. I'm not sure how easy it would be to actually sleep in these though. In the real world, the noise cancelling works really well. You won't cut out 100% of the noise, and of course some frequencies will penetrate more than others, but for the money it's pretty good. And if your mission is to cut down background noise while wearing these headphones, then I think you'll be pleased with the result. Of course you can get better if you pay more, but possibly not better for under £100 or $100. So how do they sound? I've used them for TV viewing, pairing them with my TV via Bluetooth, and watching streaming services such as Amazon Prime, Apple TV, Netflix and YouTube. They have a nice and expansive sound. The bass is more than I expected, which I don't mind, and the speech is clear. Speech also separates quite well from the background noise and music within the content. I'd be more than happy to watch my favourite TV shows wearing these. So onto gaming. The in-game music is impressive, again surprisingly good bass, the mids and highs are well defined, the thunder of the racing cars' engines is quite incredible and loud too, the sound of the crowd, the impacts with other cars and the barriers all brings this game to life. Small sound details and the more subtle ambient sounds are not lost either, and there was no noticeable lag. If you do ever suffer lag with headphones, then try connecting through a Bluetooth transmitter. I'll put a link to the ones I use in the description below. These could be the perfect sub $100 gaming headphones you'll ever need, particularly when you want to shut out other noise. Using the headphones for voice calling brought no issues at all. The twin microphones picked up speech quite well, and the sound quality is what I'd expect at this price point. I'd be happy to make calls, including my Teams and Skype calls, using these. Listening to audiobooks and music was also a pleasure. Again, the bass was heavier than I expected, but not detrimentally so. Mids and highs were again well defined. The sound is immersive and expansive and has a nice crisp treble. Adding noise cancellation while listening to music adds an extra level that you can't obtain with non-ANC headphones. You feel almost wrapped in a cocoon of sound. I find them comfortable to wear and they aren't too tight either, so no pressure issues. However, I wouldn't recommend them for any sports activities such as running. Touching the right cup for a second or so will turn on and off transparency mode, ideal when someone wants to talk to you but you don't want to remove the headphones. The 40mm drivers are more than enough to handle their business. So just to recap, these are over-ear headphones with multi-mode noise cancelling. They have near-field communication compatibility and Bluetooth 5. The Bluetooth has a range of about 15 meters or 49 feet. They are fairly light at 263 grams. They fold away nicely in their own carry case and are ideal for travelling. They have unbeatable performance for the money, in my opinion. A quick 5-minute charge can give you around 4 hours playtime. They have industry-standard USB-C charging. And an amazing battery life, 40 hours with ANC turned on and up to 60 hours with ANC turned off, and helpful voice guidance giving information such as battery level. So there you have it, possibly the best sub $100 wireless headphones you can buy with active noise cancelling technology, and I'll put a link to them in the description below so you can see where I got mine from if that interests you. I really do like them and I use them every day. Do you have these headphones or are you thinking of buying them? Or do you perhaps have any questions? Let me know your thoughts in the comments please, I'd really like to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching and making it to the end. If this video was interesting or useful, please consider giving it a thumbs up if you have time. It's a big help to my small channel if you could do that for me please. Also consider subscribing for more audio and tech reviews. Thanks again, please stay safe and I really hope to see you soon.